first thing you need to know in the Blender 3D viewport is to rotate around your object by pressing the middle mouse button and move your mouse. Wow, it's the default cube, amazing! And here there's a camera and a light there. But let's delete it with X and add a monkey with Shift A. Okay, now scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. You can hold the Control key and press your middle mouse button to make more precise zooms. Or by using Shift plus B, you can zoom on a specific region. Also, you can hold the Shift key, press middle mouse button and move. Thus you can pan left, right, up and down. Take some time to practice, of course. On your keyboard, press 0 on the numpad to go into the camera view. All of those are the shortcuts of the navigation gizmo right here, where you can rotate, zoom, pan, toggle camera view, and this new one, switch to orthographic projection, which is more mathematical and useful to be aware of real sizes. Click again to go back to perspective mode, or press 5 on the numpad. This gizmo may not be useful to you, so you can deactivate it here in the viewport gizmo button, navigate, or by pressing Ctrl plus tilde. Okay, now it's time to study the numpad actions. So we've already seen 0 to toggle camera view and press again to go back to your view. Use the dot to center to an active object. Click on the object before, of course. Very efficient if you're lost anywhere in the 3D viewport. The numpad 1 key goes on the Y positive axis view, so that you see the XZ plan. The 3 key on the X-axis and the 7 on the top of the Z-axis. And 9 key is to switch from positive to negative view. Like if you're on top, you instantly go down. You can also press Ctrl plus 1, 3 or 7 to go directly to the negative views. We've already studied 5, that goes into orthographic perspective. Now 2, 4, 6 and 8 incrementally rotate around your object, and also pressing Ctrl with the same keys incrementally pan your view. And finally, pressing Shift plus 4 and 6 makes a roll movement. And plus and minus are another way to zoom in and out. And now you have the slash key, which only shows a local view of the selected object. Let's add some cubes around the monkey. Okay, you want to work only on these 2 ones, so select both of them by holding Shift and press slash. Now you can edit your objects without being disturbed by the others. If you don't want this object anymore, select it and press Alt/. It will remove it from this view. Then, when you are done, press slash again to go back to your main view. The last numpad shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-0, which aligns the camera to the view. Another useful shortcut is the Home key, which frames all of your scene. A very useful view is the Quad view. Pressing Ctrl-Alt-Q. Press again to go back. All the parts are linked. Okay, one last important thing for the navigation is the walk mode. Press Shift tilde and try the WASD keys to move. And try other keys like Q, E, F and R. Don't be afraid. Right-click to cancel your move and left-click to validate. Press Tab to toggle gravity. You'll be able to move like in a video game. Press V to jump. You can also enable the fly mode by pressing Ctrl, to go to the preferences, then navigation, click on fly mode. We'll master this in another video. That's all for today. In the next video, I'll show how to add and manage new objects in your scene. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you later.